Hey YouTube, how we doing today? We got a weird one for you. I know, empty package, and you can probably see what it's saying, what it's going to be, and you already know what's in here because you clicked on that title, thumbnail, whatever to get into this video, but it's my long-time running joke of the channel, so thank you for bearing with me. So stay tuned after we roll that intro, and I'm going to show you and tell you about everything that came in this box. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I'm going to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for viewing this video. Look, I know you have lots of options out there, and I'm very, very flattered you chose mine. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, take a look right down below. You're going to see a little channel watermark popping up. There's first chance. Hover over that, click on that. Go ahead and knock it out the way early because, trust me, we're growing, and I want you along for the fun that we're having here because you guys make this ride possible, and I want as many of you basically in the clown car as possible. If you know my channel, you know why I'm calling it a clown car. But, all right, let's get on to the fun. Guys, today we're going to take a look at the HybridLight, basically PUC 150, or PUC 150 as I'm holding it too high. But there we go. It's small, it's compact, it's lightweight, and it has a bunch of neat little features. So let me give you a little bit of background on this guy, then I'm going to show you everything about it, because I have been hooked on these for a couple years now. Now, I got my first one back in BattleBox's Mission 14, their Blackout mission. Now, speaking of BattleBox, look up top. You're going to see a card for every single BattleBox review we've ever done. I know, I've stopped doing those a little while ago, but I don't have one for Mission 14, but if you're curious about anything about BattleBox, it's up in there. I got my second in the May 2019 PMP prep box. And we gotta wait a moment because, you know, YouTube really gets upset when you stack cards on cards on cards. So, okay, look up top. You're gonna see a card for every single PMP prep box we have ever brought to the channel. You're gonna find a bunch of great stuff in both of those playlists. You never know. You might end up subscribing. Okay, you can find them at www.hybridlight.com. This, there's a feature, is going to run you $38.95 on HybridLight's web store and $29.95 on Amazon. It's been reviewed 25 times over there and got a 4 out of 5 star rating. Now this comes in yellow, black, and gray. Now what I think is really, really cool is there's the flashlight part of it, which has a low and high setting, and you can open it up to a lantern. So that's really cool, especially if you're camping. It gives you multiple stuff. During a blackout, it gives you multiple items that you can use. What the heck? Oh, whatever. I don't know if you're hearing that. Oh, it's a siren. All right, cool. Someone's having a bad day out there. It is water resistant. I think they set up to 3 meters, and it's got 150 lumen for the light. It will last you 5 hours on the high setting and 50 hours on the low setting. On the low, as the lobe. Jeez, it's early, and yeah, there's my big old screw up. That's not a fire alarm. Okay, anywho, it does have a strobe setting on it as well. They say it can be seen up to 80 meters away. And what I think is cool is inside here, there's a 2000 milliamp rechargeable lithium ion battery, which will hold a charge for 7 years. Now its height from here to here is about 2 inches, and they say there to there is 5.3. What I thought was really cool is this little tab right here gives you a USB port where you can charge, you know, personal electronic devices. And even up here, they gave you this neat little micro USB cord so you can plug it into like an outlet for a very rapid charge. Now it says it has a lifetime warranty, and as I showed you earlier, it's even got a small hanger right there, so it's perfect for like inside a tent or over your tarp. All right, now let's have a little bit of fun. Yeah, I gotta kind of turn that down a moment. And no, this is not, you know, the company be named later, After Dark. Wow, that setting's kind of weird, but still. All right, that's how it looks with the lantern. And there's the high setting. Oh, okay, I've never done that. You have to press and hold the button to activate the strobe. And we're going to try to point it that way, but there's the low setting, and there's the high, and there's the strobe. Wow, seriously, that's kind of cool. I'm going to have to do that for another video. Okay. Yeah, bleed me out now. So as the camera readjusts itself, I like these things. I primarily use it in the morning when I'm trying to sneak around, you know, the room to get stuff while my better half sleeps. Because those of you who know, live with your better half, if you flip on a light in the middle of the morning while you're trying to get stuff ready for your job, you're going to catch a beat down. And who the heck really wants to go to work with a black eye going, I turned the light on, I deserved it, it's all my fault. I'm not making fun of domestic violence, but we've all been there. I found a lot of good uses for this, and oh yeah, by the way, if I didn't mention it, there's your solar recharger. Basically, all I do with this is throw it in a window every couple days, and it just picks up juice. Or at least once a month, I plug it in and give it a full charge. Right here's your little, like the little charging lights. If it's red, it's charging. If it's green, it's full. It's that simple. Okay, so here's the fun part of this video for me. Because I see lots of uses for this, like an everyday carry, bug out bag, get home bag. I mean, I've even tried to give some to my kids so they can walk around in the middle of the night if they got to use the bathroom and not stumble and fall down the stairs. But they've turned their room into a rave party, so yeah. And you really can't be angry when you're getting up at 4 in the morning and you see strobe lights coming out of your kid's room and you open the door and they're there with glow sticks doing this number and dancing around a strobe light. My first thought is, oh God, I got Planet of the Apes in my house. But I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever down below. Have you guys used some HybridLight stuff before? Have you used the PUC 150 before? I'd love to know down below, seriously. I'd also love to know, I'm going to do it with this one, do you think it's a noise or an F-bomb? Noise or an F-bomb? Like I said, I found a lot of good uses for this, primarily sneaking around my house. And yeah, there's been a time or two where I've had to recharge my cell phone, so we're good with that, right? Okay, so for you first-time viewers of the channel, look, I know this was a weird one. I mean, really, what can you say about a rechargeable flashlight, right? We got another one we're going to bring to the channel, and that one's supposedly water-resistant to a good depth, and we're going to put that to the test. We really, truly are. All right. Oh, man, losing track. Sorry, but we'll just keep this going. For you first-timers, once again, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I earned more of your time, because I know your time is your most precious commodity. Now, for you first-timers that didn't do it at the beginning of the video, and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe as well, here is your second chance at redemption, because we believe in second chances here on the channel. Look right down below. You're going to see a big old channel watermark pop up. Not watermark, symbol. I need more caffeine. It is officially 0906, and I'm still wore out. And there goes the cuteness factor, playing with her stuff. These are typical things for the channel, guys, if you're a first-time viewer, so hey. Alright, going to be a big channel symbol popping up right there. Go ahead and click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please destroy the bell icon. Why? Great question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos, 2 are going to be popping up right over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great first time, a great viewing experience for you. See, there I go, getting tongue-tied again. God! On that note, guys, that's my quick look at the HybridLight PUC 150. Thanks for putting up with my screw-ups and my tongue-ties and all the other fun stuff. And I hope all of you have an incredible day today.